Hey guys, just quickly before we get into this video, I just wanted to say thanks to anyone that bought a drill bit holder. I really appreciate it. I was surprised at how many people actually bought one, which is awesome. So I hope you guys are liking it. For anybody that didn't see it, this is it. It is just a bit holder that you can take the end out. It's got a magnet in there. For me, I just put the PH2 Phillips bit in there. The idea is that, like, when you're in situations where your boss is looking at you or the customer's watching you and you're like trying to put like a long screw in, or any screw for that matter, like I used the example last video of like when you're trying to put something in above your head in a return air grill, but it can be anything. It can be, you know, putting something into timber, whatever. And when someone's watching you and you know you're stressing and the bit falls off and you got to push hard and like the drill bit, the actual screw, drops and you like scuff the ceiling. This has got a guide that slides over the screw so you can push as hard as you want and the screw won't fall off because you got the guide. So it's awesome. That's all I've ever used. If you want one, you can get one by following the link in the video description. You don't have to though. Don't feel like you have to. But to anyone that bought one, I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. That's genuine. Like, I fully appreciate you all. Anyway, I'm about to go to a job that it's a commercial like place, but I'm just going there to install a ductless mini split back to back. I've never actually been to this place. I've just seen the plans and I've packed this morning what I think I'll need. So hopefully I've got enough. Anyway, so I'm going to go there now, film it. Hopefully it's an easy one. It's in North Sydney, which is a bit of a pain in the ass for me, but it's school holidays, so the traffic's not that bad, and yeah, I'm not complaining. Anyway, I hope everyone's been good. Thanks again, and let's get straight into it. Cheers. Alright, so the indoor unit is going up here, and the outdoor unit is going on the other side of the wall. So it's a nice easy one, which is good. So I put the drop sheet down and yeah, about to get started. Alright, so for me, I've decided to stitch drill in here because this is Besta block, it's quite thick, and I'm just going to get it started in here and chisel away, so then I've got the square that I need in here so it doesn't chip away or anything. I do have core hole bits, a few of them, dry core hole bits. I'm going to do the same on the outside because I want the outside to stay within the width of my metal trunking. I want in here to stay inside the unit, and I might use my core hole bit in between, but I just want to make sure the outsides are where I need them. But anyway, I'm going to stitch drill a square. I'm sure other people do it differently, but it just works for me. So yeah, anyway, do that now, try to get inside done and move on. done. Taking the drop sheet away, vacuumed. Now we go outside to the outdoor unit. The electrician has put a circuit in for us, so the outdoor unit is just going there. Alright, so the unit is going here, but on feet. The electrician's just left cable behind the unit. So we're going to do some surf mist across here, 90 down. I'm going to try and miss these rough sections. Pretty straightforward. Bang, bang. But I had a question about the bit, which I've had really good feedback on. So someone asked if it fits button heads as well as normal screws. So these are the button heads that come with the Daikin. And they certainly do fit. So, like, I don't know what button heads you use, but yes, they do fit button heads. The ones that come with the Daikin definitely fit. Yo.
Yo, put that TV back.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet.
Do you need a hand or? No worries, man. Motherfucker. Oof. Fuck. So I'm doing this job, which is in North Sydney, and I'm from like the southern side of Sydney, so it's a proper punish to get up here. Anyway, they wanted the unit in a different position to what I thought, so I needed to go get some trunking from the local wholesaler up here. I've never been here in my life. Anyway, he was just telling me how dead it is, and just the general consensus in New South Wales is just how dead the industry is. Like, apparently, like airfoil, like a few other wholesalers are like putting off people and stuff. And I'm just like, man, I'm under the absolute pump. But I'm just curious, like, because I'm obviously just a one-man show, so it doesn't take much for me to be like overwhelmed. Comment on the video. I'm just curious, how is your company going? It's not an ego thing. I genuinely want to know, like, are things quietening down or what? Cost of living is up. Air conditioning's not a requirement or a necessity, it's a luxury, so I understand if it's quiet, but for me personally, just being a small business, I'm proper under the pump. So anyway, let us know what your company is doing, how you're traveling. Anyway, I'm going to go back to the job, continue on. Right, so trunking's up. I just notched it around the pipe, this copper pipe for the tap. Yeah, so just run the drain down, across, and drips into this section. Oh, I don't know if I told you this at the start of the video, but this is a like a commercial job, so like I'm going off a plan. I actually said, like, do you want to put this up on brackets so it's like not in the walkway? But literally the builder's just like, mate, just put it there, that's where it is on the plan. Like, I get it, whatever. I just made the point because, like, if you ever want to, like that's an apartment in there, it's like a full commercial space, but that's like an apartment in there where one of the workers lives. And I'm like, if you ever need to, like, I don't know, get a trolley and bring a fridge in and out or something, like, that's a bit of a pain in the ass. Also, like, I don't know, if it was a bit higher, you could run the condensate for the condenser to the same spot. Like, I don't know. Anyway, that's where they want it, that's where it is. So I'm going to run the pipe now. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how I notched out the trunking, I'm not going to lie. You've only got one shot at it, and I was like the last couple of jobs I've had to do the same thing, and I just get the hole saw and just like go on the edge and then just cut the rest out with snips. So the side bits is just the hole saw, it's just the back I do with the snips. Anyway, I'll run the pipe now. just use one bar. It's just chilling. It'll go down soon. Alright, that's all done. So it's the finished product. Oh, you're gonna have to blow that off. Vacked it, obviously open the lines, good to go. Those CPS vac stats are good, but man, they chew through the 9-volt batteries. Absolutely go through them. Apart from that, everything is all good.